Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making seed balls. To complete this craft, you will need air-dry clay. You can either buy this from a craft store or make it yourself with baking soda, cornstarch, and water. Just search online for a recipe. A bag of compost or potting soil, a packet of seeds, easy to grow or varieties that are native to the area are best. Here's what you'll do. First, prepare your materials. You'll need 5 parts of clay, 1 part of soil, and 1 part of seeds. Next, mix the clay and soil together. If your mixture is dry, add a little bit of water. It should feel like cookie dough. Add the seeds to the clay and soil. Mix well. Roll the mixture into balls about the size of a golf ball. Ta-da! Here are the finished seed balls. Find somewhere in your yard to toss them on bare soil. You can do it while they're still moist or allow them to air dry. Make sure to water them so the clay will break down and the seeds can grow. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!